the time that I was able to see my child up upon to this point was very, very, very little. There were times where I was not aware where my child was because state, granted that she did get married twice and currently married to another Army.
The state is requesting to read into the record what has been agreed to by the non-custodial parent. The party agrees to the medical and dental support coverage with the non-custodial parent to provide insurance via another source. The state has calculated that the medical insurance for the father is at $325 per month, and dental insurance for the child is at $50 per month. So I believe that is the extent of the agreement. So again, that's just for the father to carry the health and dental through a additional source. As it relates, it appears that we do not have an agreement on the child support, so we do need to take testimony on that one. So at this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the father in this matter. Sir, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Andrew Martinez.
And Mr. Martinez, did you hear what I previously read into the record as it relates to this case?
Yes, sir.
And are you in agreement to carry the health and dental for the child through a outside source?
Yes, sir.
And just to confirm, sir, you have one additional child that's currently residing with you, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And sir, do you understand that the state has used your income for the year of 2023 at a cost of, at $82,091 annually to calculate the support obligations today?
Yes, sir.
And sir, based off of your current income, the state is requesting that you pay a total of $1,115 per month for child support. Are you in agreement to that amount?
No, sir.
Could you explain to the court why you're not in agreement to pay the support based off of your current income?
Yes, sir. So I do have other expenses. I have a 7-month-old child. I do, we do have a co-parenting agreement as far as with my other child's mom, trying to stay civil with each other. And so it just makes it tough for it to continue, just like, a little bit everything things. Just don't want to be, I guess, stressed out or anything like that. It's just a nervous thing to, open up to something like this. Never have tried to done it. So yeah, and of course, the time that I was able to see my child up upon to this point was very, very, very little. There were times where I was not aware where my child was because state, granted that she did get married twice and currently married to another Army.
We're specifically speaking about the income here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So as it relates to, again, the income, sir,
yes, sir.
The state has based this off of your income and requesting the amount be paid at the $1,115 per month. You previously spoke about you not agreeing to this because you have other expenses. Do you understand that the state does not take into consideration your other expenses that you have when calculating the support obligation today?
Okay, so that's based on calculations. Okay.
And so do you understand that the state has also given you credit for the one additional child that you provided to the court that you have?
Okay, yes, sir.
And so do you understand that there's been no request for retroactive support? We're just looking at child support going forward?
Yes, sir.
And so do you also understand that being that this is a interstate case that the state has, this matter does not address the issue of visitation today?
Yes, I did get that notification as well.
All right, so do you have any additional information you'd like to offer to the court as it relates to this case?
Does that, can I express, I guess, beyond, not child support, the dollar amount, I guess, why I'm appealing my child support? I guess I want to say, sorry about that.
You previously provided that you didn't agree to it because of the issue of visitation. We've addressed that, and you've also previously provided that you didn't agree to the child support based off of your other expenses. Was there anything other than what you previously provided that you want to provide to the court?
No, sir.
Nothing further from this party, Your Honor.
All right, sir. I know it's a lot of money, but if we were not including the 7-month-old child that's not a part of this case, your child support would probably be around $1,400 or $1,500. So they've already reduced it because you have an additional child. I cannot reduce it any further than that. Children are expensive.
Yes, sir.
You choose to have children, you have to choose to pay the costs. So, I mean, it's based on your income. I cannot take your expenses into account. Everybody has the living expenses. They got to pay for a place to live, groceries, food, gas, all those kinds of things. I cannot say that yours is more than hers or hers are more than yours as a reason to increase or decrease child support. It's just math based on what you earn. I understand it's a big number, but that's what it's supposed to be based on your income. And that's all I can do. So the child support is set at $1,115 a month. If you want to pursue visitation, you'll need to pursue that in the state where she lives. And if you're doing, maybe in the future, if you have travel costs, maybe I can consider that. But
I'm sorry, what was the last part? It cut off. So I
if you have
apologize.
the travel cost for actually visiting the child, then if we had another hearing, then maybe I could consider that as a reason to change it. But I'm not going to promise you that. But
Okay.
that's something you can prove to me that you're doing it. I understand it may not be all your choice, but you may want to pursue the visitation orders in the other state and get that started. All right, the Attorney General's office will draft an order based on my ruling, email you a copy. You are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.